Okay, y'all, I wanted to go over why I actually got into this EU trade to see if I can get y'all to understand how I understand. So initially, when I looked at the trend on the 4-hour, because I start with the 4-hour to get my bias. Sorry about the wires down there, but it is what it is. But anyway, I got my bias. I saw that it was a downtrend. We got a double top here. We had a rundown, and then we had a support level that was created. Once we had the support level that was created, we had all the liquidity in the wicks here spiking. It did a retracement. I just didn't know if it was going to go up here and fill this gap, or if it was going to stay in this area and fill what was open here as far as balance. So what it did is it went here and fill the gaps in this area. We still have this open, so the possibilities are endless for that. But once I started to focus on the lower time frame, I went down to my 1-hour chart. I saw that we had a lower level previously that was created that I was going to use as a support area for my zone to come to. I just took it down to the wick. I mean, some people stop it at the body. It's based on how you trade and what your trade is. But I saw that this area here was broken. I actually wanted, because I kind of opened the charts a little late, but I wanted to make sure it was what it was, because especially since at the time that I jumped in, there was an indecisive candle, a doji here. So I waited until that happened, and let me show you another tool that I used, my 50 EMA. So after it broke the 50 EMA and closed, I got in. So that's why you see me getting in right there. And even though it was what was called an uptrend, look at the big picture of it being a retracement from a downtrend. So if you're on the smaller time frames, you have to really be careful with that. And what I'm gonna do here is close everything I got, because it did hit that level of support. So I closed my trades out. I got let me see how many pips for the day. Quite a bit of pips. So I rode it all the way up until this candlestick printed. It was close enough to the bottom here. So it just may be retracing down to go back up. So I got out to be safe. But this is my Friday, y'all. That's the area of take profit that I was going down to. So I got out a little early, missing out on a few pips. But for the most part, I got quite a bit. It was a 1 in 3 for me today. So I hope y'all had a wonderful trading day. Let me know what you got in and traded on today. And trading's dynamic. You got to move with the market and practice good risk management, and you will be successful. Have a great weekend, y'all. Until next time, bye.